So today, we will learn about how AJAX works. AJAX, or Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, has been an integral part of web development for decades. While the term AJAX may seem modern, it was actually first introduced by Microsoft in 1999 with IE5. Interestingly, AJAX isn't its official name. It's technically called the XML HTTP Request Object, or simply XSR. In simple terms, AJAX allows you to send a request from a web page to a server, receive a response, and update the content of the page without reloading it. The beauty of AJAX lies in its ability to enhance user experience by making web pages more dynamic and interactive. Imagine you are creating a sign-up form for your website's newsletter. You want the sign-up process to be quick and smooth. Here's how you can achieve that with AJAX. Form submission. The user fills out the form and hits the submit button. AJAX request. Rather than navigating away from the page, the form data is sent to the server using AJAX. Processing. The server processes the form data, example, adding the email address to its database. Response. The server sends a response back, such as a success message like email added. Page update. The page dynamically displays a confirmation message like you are all signed up without reloading. In AJAX, A stands for asynchronous. It means that the request is sent to the server without interrupting other activities on the page. Your browser can continue running and responding to user actions while it waits for the server's response. This is essential for maintaining a smooth user experience as it prevents freezing the page while waiting for the data. J stands for JavaScript. It is the engine that powers AJAX. You use it to send requests, process responses, and dynamically update the web page. A stands for AND. X stands for XML, or Extensible Markup Language. It was the original format for responses. However, it's not the only option anymore. Today, JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is more commonly used for server responses due to its simplicity and compatibility with JavaScript. In the process of making an AJAX request, there are 4 main steps. Number 1 is create an XML HTTP request object. This tells the browser to prepare to send and receive data. Number 2, define a callback function. This function processes the server's response and updates the page accordingly. For example, in a Google map, the callback updates the map with new tiles. Number 3, open the request. You specify the HTTP method, get or post, and the server's URL. Number 4, send the request. This final step sends the request to the server with all the necessary details. This is the end of this session. In the next session, I will show a simple AJAX example. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.